This song's called The 59 Sound. I wonder which song they're gonna play when we go. I hope it's something quiet, minor, peaceful and slow. And when we float out into the ether, to the everlasting arms, I hope we don't hear more of these chains forcing life. See, these chains I've been hearing now for most of my life, and the chains I've been hearing, man, for most of my life. You hear the 59 sound coming through on Grandmama's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? And I wonder, were you scared? You heard the metal hit the glass. See, I was playing a show down the road when your spirit left your body. And they told me on the front lawn, sorry I couldn't go, but I still know the song and the words and the name and the reasons. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. And I heard the 59 sound coming through on Grandmama's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? I told the young boys, I told the young girls, young boys, young girls, that you weren't supposed to die on a Saturday night. You weren't supposed to die on a Saturday night. You weren't supposed to die on a Saturday night. You ain't supposed to leave my life. Did you hear the 59 sound coming through on Grandmama's radio? Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Or did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? And did you hear your favorite song one last time? All the young boys